So that's just on the trade side. In terms of some of the other things that we managed to achieve, Google is now not only investing in Fiji, it's bringing 4 connections, subsea cables into Fiji. Before Google came to see us late last year, we only had 1 subsea cable. So in other words, if somebody cut that cable, Fiji would be like Tonga after the volcano, dead to the world. Maybe some satellite options, and now Starlink's here. But before that, it was like going to be total chaos. So, and what the Google connectivity brings is it brings a serious opportunity for Fiji to become a really genuine ICT player and become more of a regional hub for the Pacific. So, for example, the 4 connections are US, Hawaii, Fiji, and then there's a cable that runs from Fiji to Australia. There's a cable that's going to run from Australia to French Polynesia, Tahiti, then onward to South America, Chile, and then you're going to have another connection that runs from Fiji to Guam and then to Japan. So all of a sudden, Vijay, we've created through Google an opportunity to be quite resilient when it comes to data centers, when it comes to BPOs, which are a big growing sector in Fiji. We can actually start creating other industries. Like, for example, if Fiji wants to be a hub of cybersecurity around the world, we now have that capability because of the connectivity. So these are some of the exciting opportunities that are in that space. Google is also building a data center, $200 million green data center in Fiji. I can't say where exactly, but it's going to be definitely in Fiji. And that in itself is just some major development. And another thing I'd like to say, and this is probably part of the ease of doing business, Google went from talking to the Honorable Prime Minister to making the decision to invest and go in Fiji within 7 months. That's it in Google speak. That's unheard of in the world. So as Fiji is a small country, we can surely be fast if we give you in the right circumstances. So Google's going around to the world saying our experience in Fiji is just top class. That has its own other opportunities. Now when we go to forums, like we had the North American Forum, the forum was opened by Google talking about their investment, and Fiji Water talking about their investment. What small country anywhere in the world do you have that kind of level of profile? And this has just happened over the last few months, 19 months.